In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use the switcher at the top right corner to activate it and the arrow at the top left one to go back to standard keyboard. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To pin it, hold it and click on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, hold it and tap on delete one instead. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!